So at this point, we have added and removed from the end of an array, and we've added and removed from the beginning of the array. And the splice method basically lets you choose the location in the array where you want to remove or add elements. So location is kind of the key here, and it's just your array name dot splice. First thing you give it is the location, and location numbering begins with 0. Then you have a comma. Tell it how many elements you want to remove, and if you don't want to remove any, then and indicate 0. Then you do a comma, and if you want to add elements, you give it the variable or the item that you want to add. And if you have more than one, you just put commas after them. So I have several examples. This one is at W3C, and we've got our lovely fruit array. You can see we're using splice. And so we are going to be targeting location 2. So we have 0, 1, 2, so right here. And then we're not going to delete any, but we're going to add lemon and kiwi at that location. So if we run it, I would expect to see lemon and kiwi before apple. Now, if we delete one, we should see that apple has been deleted. Lemon and kiwi will still be added. So let's run it and try it. And you can see apple is gone. And I have another little example. This one, actually, I have the code in here, so you might as well look at it. I start out with an array with 4 elements. I add lint to the end, so that's going to give me 5. Then I have an event listener. We're listening for clicking on this button. And if we click on the button, we're targeting location 2. So we got 0, 1, so right before Godiva. We're going to delete 1, so Godiva should be gone. And then we're adding 3. So before Jacques Torres, we should see Tucher, Valrhona, and Richard Donnelly. So let's go ahead and take a look. So we've got Tucher, Valrhona, Richard Donnelly, and then Jacques Torres. And here we have another little example. And this one is going to delete 2 of the chocolatiers. It's not going to add any new ones. So we're targeting location 2, deleting 2. Okay, so we have kind of a lengthy little list here. So we have 0, 1. Here's location 2. So I would expect these 2 chocolatiers will be gone. So here's our initial list. And now we're going to try it. So you can see Godiva and Jacques Torres are gone.